Good morning to you all, my lovely fans. Good afternoon, good evening, depends wherever you are watching me from. Is your sister, your friend, Sandy Entertainment TV. Today is another day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I saw on Facebook. It's very terrible. So before I continue, if you have been watching me before you are not subscribed, please hit that red button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to alert whenever I upload video. Thank you guys. If you have subscribed before, may God bless you all. I love you all, my lovely fans. If not, you now wait for day. I love you all. So this YouTube channel, we dey use pidgin English, we dey use correct English, but mostly na pidgin we dey use. So wetin I come across for Facebook, it dey very scary, so sad. So if only me 1 year and I just keep out to myself, it go be like say I dey stingy. So guys, so you get wetin I come across yesterday. This thing happen for Edo State. Some mothers, although I know say suffer if you make person do wetin you not supposed to. For real, poverty, if you make person do wetin you not supposed to. But this one is too terrible. So this woman, she get 3 children. So with that 3 children, those children she send the streets, make they go the thief. So they can't go the thief, they collect something for people. You know, say that YouTube get to collect something for people, waiting they not get. Even the senior one went there inside, that one carry gun. Imagine. That one carry gun. They go thief, can't give their mother go use her. She go use the money, chop the money, use her and they eat. Even the mother brother self, their uncle, now even give the senior one gun. Just imagine wetin people they pass through, wetin they happen. Okay, let's assume say those children grow up, come big for inside that character, that dubious character. Wetin for happen? See disgrace when they give them. See disgrace when those children pass through. School self, they not they go. School, those children, they not they go school. Just imagine. Just 3 children when she get, all of them, they street, they thief, they go, they pickpocket, they go. Who they find, you no see. Who they find one picking, you no see. Who get, choose and they do nonsense for streets. So the thing, they very sad and they very terrible. It's too scary. When I see the video yesterday, I did very sad. I did very sad. Imagine those children as a small reach so. They don't dey street for night. They collect what it don't be their own. They collect what it they don't give them. In fact, it does still take the money go give their man. Their man use and cook, use and chop. If you even see the woman self, suffer full all her body. Although she may no be like say I dey lie. Wanna hear for the horses' mouths. It's good. You guys, you hear from their mouths. Alright, guys. Although they listen, they use Benin inside though.
Everyone, I not trusting anybody. Then we'll be about you'll be oh, nice the boy you. Okay, how this the one that they do like this? What you know, mama they talk? Talk. You want me? What your mama they talk? You want me to stop him? You just say go please stop. Oh no, what can I do? Your man know where they go to gym. See they go to this. Your man know say they gym. Mother, you know say you're picking a thief. You know say you're picking a thief. You know. Why you say you don't know? You're picking a steering road. You get where to go. You know, your man knows your brother the chief. She know Abi.
If you talk like better stuff.
Madam, how as una dey here now? So how you feel? How you dey feel now? Talk well. How you dey feel now, madam?
All the fed no talk. All the fed.
How you dey feel now, madam? I buy you this your children. Belle no sweet you. When they pikin they bring something they call house, you know say this one pikin never reach to bring money call house. You dey bring money they call house. You dey collect am. You good? Na better mama you be. Madam. Na better mama you be now. Talk. You know talk. Na better mama you be.
Now wahala be like wheelbarrow. Okay guys, thank you guys. Hope una don hear wetin dey happen, wetin mothers dey use our children dey do. All right guys, thank you for watching. May God bless you all as you support your sister, your friend. God will continue to bless you. I love you all for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please leave your comment down below. Anytime I come across your comment, I will give you a reply. Thank you. I love you. Till we see in another video. Bye bye. I love you all.